How students can get Claude AI Pro for free 2026 Student Access Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are a student and you have been wanting to access Claude AI Pro without paying full price in 2026, you are in the right place. Anthropic has actually built out some really solid official programs specifically for students. Let me walk you through all of them right now. Let's get into it. Method 1: Claude for Education through your university. This is the biggest and most legitimate path. Anthropic's Claude for Education is the official institutional program that provides Claude access to students, educators, and administrators at partner universities. Partner institutions in 2026 include University of San Francisco, LSC, Northeastern, Dartmouth, Syracuse, Champlain, Northumbria, University of Virginia, and University of Pittsburgh. The list keeps growing, so check if your school is enrolled. Go to your university's IT portal or software library and look for Claude. Many students miss this because it is sitting right there already. How to check if your university is enrolled? The quickest way to find out is to go to Claude AI and sign up or log in using your official university or school email address. If your university has an active education plan, you will see a badge indicating you are on the Education or Pro tier. If nothing shows up, check your school's IT portal or contact your IT department directly and ask if Claude is available through your student software dashboard. What you get with Claude for Education: the education access is genuinely impressive. It includes a special learning mode that uses Socratic questioning instead of giving direct answers, designed to support real learning, templates for coursework including research papers, study guides, and literature reviews, Claude Code for programming education, and Claude API access for faculty research. It is purpose-built for students and academics. Method 2: Campus Ambassador Program. If your school is not yet enrolled, this is your next best option. Claude Campus Ambassadors are selected students who work directly with the Anthropic team to lead AI education initiatives on campus. Ambassadors receive Claude Pro access and API credits. Ambassadors typically receive Claude Pro free for an entire year plus exclusive networking opportunities with AI engineers. Applications open periodically, so follow Anthropic on their official channels to catch the next round. Method 3: Claude Builder Clubs. This one is great for students of any major, not just tech. Students can start or join an Anthropic-supported Builder Club on their campus, organizing hackathons, workshops, and demo events. Club members get Claude Pro access and monthly API credits. For example, the University of Florida's Builder Club provides unlimited Pro access and $50 per month in API credits. Method 4: Free API credits for students. If you are a technical student, this path gives you even more power than a standard Pro subscription. Anthropic offers programs that give university students free API credits for coursework and projects. Eligible students can apply through Anthropic's website. These credits work across Claude models and are perfect for research projects and coding assignments. Method 5: Free tier. While you wait, if none of the above options are immediately available to you, the free tier of Claude is genuinely capable for most student tasks. Anyone with an email gets the free Claude tier with daily message caps, which is good for occasional use. Use it strategically for your most important tasks first, and it will take you further than you expect. And those are all the official, legitimate ways students can access Claude AI Pro for free in 2026. Check your university enrollment first, apply for the Ambassador or Builder Club program, grab free API credits if you're technical, and use the free tier while you work toward the others. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.